Hello there, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I was starting to glue down a background for my little woodland creatures here, and I thought, why am I not filming this? So I decided to start filming, so that's what I'm doing. And I am on this one. So I hope you're all doing well, and happy and healthy and safe. And yep, we're just waiting for blood test results to come back. And waiting for spring. It's been so cold and windy here that, oh, what a glob of glue. Don't want that there. I might have to get my little baby wipes out. Yep, I do. Am I the only one that makes a mess with glue? I got a message that my dog has to get his toenails cut tomorrow. So that's good. I'm glad I got the message. Yes, I'm trying to remember which one comes first. Let's do this one. Some trees. I'm trying to get this all, the background to all be kind of like outdoorsy. And I am gluing off camera. And I'm probably speeding up this gluing process too, because it can be tediously boring. I think it goes this way. Yeah. Okay, there's that one. I need to get some more gluing paper. Here we go. What are you doing on this fine day? Well, it's a fine day where I am. Cold? Yes. But beautiful sunshiny day. That's going to go there. Oh, look, that's the same. I kind of was trying to avoid that, but if I can... Oh, I can. Let's see if I can move this one here. Try to avoid getting similar ones, like in a row. Do you glue book? What do you like to glue? These are called Twinchies, in case you didn't know. I didn't when I first started, which wasn't that long ago. So these are Twinchies because they're 2-inch by 2-inch squares. And I learned about these from Nicole from Relax Cut Glue. And in fact, I learned about this book from Nicole, Relax Cut Glue. And I've done a few of them. When I'm all done, or maybe even before I'm all done, I'll definitely do a flip through. Okay. See, now this is similar to this one, so I think I'll put this one here. Yeah, to avoid that. I don't know, it's just me. Oh, here's a leaf. Maybe I'll use that one. I don't have that one anywhere. I think I'll put that there, yeah. Forget about that mountainside, or whatever that is. It's hard to tell what they are sometimes when you cut them up into 2-inch squares. Alright, now we'll put this one on. Do you glue book? Do you junk journal? What brought you to my channel? I do. Started out with junk journaling. Actually, I started out making those, I don't know what they called them back then. They were popular when I started. Oh, that's not straight. You got like the baseball card, you know, that you put in the book, the sleeves for the baseball cards, and then you put little cute little things in them, like, oh my gosh, this one is not coming out the way I had hoped. It's got a little bit of a ripped edge. There, that's better. You would put something cute in each pocket, like a tea bag with a nice, like, craft paper background. Do I have all of these? Yeah. I used to make them for my kids, my grandkids, not my kids, my grandkids, and just put like little pieces of flat little chocolates in them, you know, just little things like that. That's what I started out doing. And then I started making junk journals, and then I started doing case-bound, like blank books, notebooks, sketchbooks, things like that. And then I started glue booking. We're always looking for something new, at least I am, but I still constantly do. I use my junk journals as memory keeping, and so I still stick with that all the time. I don't really make the baseball card things anymore. But I have a feeling this has too much glue on it. It might be lumpy. So, oh, that's not straight. Gotta make it straight. Although, it could be that yeah, this is just not straight. The square. That's the problem there. There's a little bit of white space there. But I guess I could probably cover it with something. Okay. Alright. So yeah, tell me in the comments below what you like to create. Or do you just like to watch others create? I would be interested to know. And if you haven't subscribed, that would also be nice. Subscribe and check out my other videos. Whoops. I haven't filmed a case-bound book, because when I was doing them, I wasn't filming yet. And the last one, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I got glue on it. I love that yellow sky. Oh, and this side too. Which side should I use? This side or this side? I'm going to use this side. Sometimes it's hard to choose which side to use. We got my last one here. Oh, you probably didn't see me doing that last line, did you? Okay, that's a very shiny piece of paper, so I think that's going to come off fine with the baby wipe. And now we just have to figure out where we're going to glue our little pieces. And I will slow down a little bit. So we've got this bear would be cute right here. How about right that, like that? I think we'll put him right there. I do the Marguerite Miller Collage Challenge. I do surreal collages. I'm not very good at it yet, but I enjoy doing them. So there's some of those on my channel. I got a playlist. Well, these two guys are cute. Whoops. No, I like them here. Let's go ahead and put these guys right here. Yeah. I cut these out of a Bass Pro Shop Christmas catalog. And I didn't use them all in my Christmas journal. And I just noticed them again. So I thought, well, why not do this? What else am I going to do with them? No sense in hoarding them. There. I do hoard some things, but I feel like if you're keeping the thing that you're using, your things, if you keep the thing that you're using your things, if you keep, you know, like I'm going to keep this, so anything that I was hoarding will just be in here instead of in a box unused, you know what I mean? So I don't believe in hoarding. I think we'll put this over here to hide that white spot. Yeah. So, yeah, as long as I'm keeping the thing. Like, if I was making a journal and giving it away or selling it, I might not put hoarded things in that, but I would definitely use hoarded supplies in my own journals. I know my husband used to want to keep all, like, his mother's and grandmother's little trinkets hidden in a box. And I thought, what is the point of that? You can't even enjoy them. Nobody's ever going to see them. You're never going to see them. Put them out on display. Because he's afraid they would get broken or, you know, something like that. And I'm like, well, if you put them up high, they're not going to get broken. He looks cute right there. This is turning out much cuter than I thought it was going to. We got another bear. I don't want him in the same row as the... Let's put the bear up here. Yeah. Maybe someday, or maybe today, I'll find some words to put on here. But let's go ahead and put that like that. Oh, that's so cute. I really do love how this is turning out. Another little deer could go there. Oh, there's a big glob of glue. I'm going to check that because it could be important, considering we're waiting for blood testing. Nope, not a message. Okay. He can go here, here, or here. I think he looks cute right there in that meadow, though, so let's do that. I'm trying not to get big globs of glue falling off of here. Okay. He looks cute right there. Oh, I need to move him over a little bit. Okay. So I'm not going to have something for every square, which is fine. Okay, we have a little possum. And we have a bunny. Chopping some wood. And actually, I'm going to cut this out and add the wood separately. There's too much white space there. I wonder, I might have some wildlife stickers I could also put on here. Okay, so the bunny, I guess we'll put him right there. Chopping wood at, is that sunset? Sunrise? Okay, he's going to go here. Get his little piece of wood. And get that on there. Okay. Okay, we'll put this down like this. Getting ready to chop that. Got to put our little possum down. He's going right here. And our mouse. Where's, oh no, it's a squirrel, not a mouse. The glue right there. Okay, little mouse, our little squirrel. Where should little squirrel go? Here? Here? That's too much together since I don't have... He's too much the same color. I don't know, he kind of blends in there. I think we're going to just go ahead and put him right there. Oh! His tail fell off. Poor little guy. He needs some glue on his foot. Okay, and so that's it so far. I am actually going to turn off the camera now and see if I can find some other things to put in here. Maybe words, maybe, I feel like if I put different animals, dial animals in there, it's going to look weird. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that don't have actually anything in them. Like these have a tip, this has a tip of this in there. This has part of his head, that has part of his head. So let's see what I can do with the ones that are totally empty. Alright, so here is the finished piece. I did end up putting some birds here, 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 and here, and an acorn. That's what I added, and then I added some words. And this one says, "Life is good and it went on crooked. True love, happily ever after," for these 2 little lovebirds here. Hopping down the bunny trail, do your best. Stay curious, make a difference. Spring is in the air. I wish it said Twitter-pated. That would have been cute. Adventure awaits you. Just breathe. He looks like he's troubled. Believe in yourself. Focus on what's important. The best is yet to come. Remember to play. Today is a new day. Cultivate kindness. So I thought that came out cute. And sometimes I do put washi tape, but I don't think I can't now because I already have things that are, you know, not staying in one square. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. And see one's popping up here. I appreciate your support, and we will see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.